45mm for bullseye. Incredible, really, when you think about it. ISSF World Cup. And here's Kim Yeji, who already is a silver medalist, not only earlier this week in the 10 metres, but also there's that silver medal. The record was 41 hits. One more for a new world record. And it's there! It's there! The world record has gone! It was there for nearly 5 years until January this year when Yang Yin came along and broke the world record with 41. And now Kim Yeji from Republic of Korea is the new world record holder. What a week it's been for her here in Baku.